Google just flipped the script on the entire AI race. If you thought you knew what Gemini could do, you might want to sit down. Last week, Google quietly rolled out a series of updates that fundamentally change how we interact with AI, and honestly, how we do our jobs. We're talking about native multimodal embeddings, a completely reimagined Workspace integration that ends the manual dig for information, and a 3.1 Pro model upgrade that doubled its reasoning scores. But the real reason Google is pushing this out right now? It's a direct shot at Microsoft Copilot and OpenAI. And we're going to break down exactly what this means for you right now. Welcome back to the AI Guide. Let's get right into it. For the last year, we've been comparing ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. But Google's March 2026 update is a game changer. They aren't just giving us a smarter chatbot. They're turning Google Workspace into an active, autonomous knowledge base. First up, let's talk about Workspace. You know how you used to spend half your time just hunting down emails, old docs, and meeting notes before you even started writing. Google just killed that process. With the new Help Me Create tool and Docs, you can literally just type, draft a newsletter using the meeting minutes from my January HOA meeting and the list of upcoming events. Gemini instantly searches your Drive, your Gmail, and your chat, pulls the exact data, and writes a fully formatted draft. But it gets crazier. In Sheets, a new feature called Fill with Gemini is reportedly 9 times faster than manual entry. Boy, that sounds good. You can ask it to organize a move to Chicago, and it will build a checklist, a contact list, and pull moving quotes straight from your inbox into a spreadsheet. It's not just formatting, it's synthesizing your life. Now, before we get to the massive Google Maps upgrade that will change how you drive, we have to talk about the secret weapon behind all this, Gemini Embedding 2. Real quick, if you want to stay ahead of the curve on all these AI updates, hit that subscribe and notification bell, drop a like, and share this video with someone who needs to see it. And if you want to support the channel directly, check out our Patreon link below. We appreciate you. Okay, back to Gemini Embedding 2. This is technical, but stick with me because it's vital. Most AI models have to translate video or audio into text before they can understand it. That introduces errors. Gemini Embedding 2 is natively multimodal. It maps text, images, audio, and video into the exact same space. You can literally ask it a question using a picture of a car engine and text at the same time, and it just understands. This is why Google Drive is now acting like an active collaborator instead of just a digital filing cabinet. It can synthesize months of research across PDFs, videos, and emails in seconds. And then there's Google Maps. Google just dropped its biggest navigation update in a decade. They added Ask Maps, a conversational AI powered by Gemini. You can literally ask your phone, where can I charge my phone without waiting in a long line for coffee? And it knows. Plus, they've added a 3D immersive navigation view that shows you buildings, crosswalks, and exact lanes, while Gemini explains the trade-offs between different routes, like taking a toll road versus sitting in traffic. This is a new killer app. So, why did Google drop all this now? Look at the enterprise market. Microsoft has been pushing Copilot hard, integrating OpenAI's tech directly into Office 365. Google had to respond by upgrading Gemini 3.1 Pro, which, by the way, scored a massive 77.1% on the ARC AGI2 reasoning benchmark, double the previous version, and see my video in detail about that from a few weeks ago. Google is saying we have the best models and they are already inside the apps you use every day. For you and me, this means the era of the standalone chatbot is ending. AI is becoming the fabric of our daily digital lives. Whether you're coding, writing, or just trying to find a good vegan restaurant on a road trip, Gemini is right there, anticipating what you need. The competition between Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic's Claude is hotter than ever. But with these March updates, Google just took a massive leap forward in actual everyday usability. And for more on OpenAI and their coming updates, see last video. So many of us use G Suite at work or at home. So what do you guys think? Have you checked it out? Is Gemini finally pulling ahead of ChatGPT? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for socials, web, and our Patreon link. Also, please like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell. All that really helps with the algorithm. And support us on Patreon. We really need your help because your small dollar monthly contribution of $5, $2, or even $1 really helps the channel keep growing. And that's for real. So thanks so much. See you in the next one. Take care.